Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware. Make sure your HDMI cable and TV support the resolution and refresh rate you want. Next, power on the Ps5 and sign in so settings save to your account. Once done, go straight to Settings, then Screen and Video. That opens the video controls you'll use. Make sure to note the current resolution value and whether 120Hz is available, because those determine the options you can select next. You now change the specific output values. Select resolution and pick 2160p for 4K, 1080p for HD, or 720p for legacy displays. Choose what your TV supports. Then, toggle 120Hz output if your display and cable are compatible. This improves motion clarity for games that support it. Also set output range and HDR preferences so colors and brightness match the display. If a game looks washed out, adjust HDR and you finish by applying the new settings and immediately testing with a game or video to confirm resolution and frame rate. If the screen goes blank or shows an unsupported message, the Ps5 usually reverts automatically. If not, power cycle the console. Make sure to try a lower resolution or a different HDMI port on the TV. If problems persist, update your TV firmware, swap the HDMI cable, and as a last resort, use Ps5 Safe Mode to reset video settings so you can recover display output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.